3, 2, 1, start.
Okay, so I think we can talk something about pronoun before lunch times. You see this file I sent in the group? You check it or not? Boss brother. I'm sorry, I call boss brother. Boss venerable. Pronoun. Bang Tol, what do you understand about pronoun?
Pronoun.
Yeah, pronouns. You understand something about pronoun? See here? Yes.
Pronoun is we use to replace noun.
Very good.
Or
Short one. Replace noun. Good. Bang Part, what is pronoun?
Pronoun we use to replace a noun like he, she, it.
Yeah, pronoun as not only he, she, it. No? We have many type of pronouns.
He, she, it, you, we, they.
Yeah, so you can give me the definition of pronoun. Pronoun as the words, the words that the
can
word
use to replace noun.
that are used to replace noun. Yeah, to replace the noun.
Or it can be like noun phrase.
Yeah, noun or noun phrase. Yeah, good. Noun or noun phrase can be. You are correct. Noun or noun phrase. Phrase also talk about noun.
Noun.
Yeah. So to be short, you can give the definition to replace noun. It's enough. You give me some example. What are the word that we talk about pronoun? Many words. You don't think about type of pronoun. Just give me some vocab, some words that are pronoun.
Like students.
Just give a word. She. Okay.
Yeah.
Is it example? I'm sorry. I make this. Examples. Examples.
He, she.
She. Okay. She, her. All right.
Yeah.
They, them. Something else.
A lot more.
Try to tell me. Not only personal pronoun. Not only personal pronoun. You can tell me some pronoun that we are going to study about type of pronoun. So we can focus. Him.
Their.
Theirs. Yeah. Okay. There. Also pronoun.
It.
It.
We.
Us. It can be like.
Yeah, of course.
What about ourselves?
Ourself, reflexive pronoun. You are right. Ourself.
Yourself.
Yeah, yourself, ourself. This is personal pronoun. Can you tell me the other pronouns? Can I say some?
Some also, teacher.
Yeah, anything. Some we call indefinite pronoun. Remember? Some it is indefinite pronoun. Can I say who?
Who?
Can I say that?
Yeah. Actually, this is called
relative pronoun, right? Can I say everyone?
Any indefinite.
Yeah, also indefinite pronoun. Can I say this, that, those, something else?
What? Which?
Yeah.
It can be.
It can be.
Whose?
Whose? Yeah, possessive pronoun. Good.
Whom? It can be.
Good.
Yeah.
Whom can be several.
Several.
Yeah. That's all.
Yeah, I cannot think of anything.
Mine. How do we call this? Each other pronoun. One another. Okay. How do we call these pronouns? Anyone's. Okay. How do we call these pronoun? Anything. Vong Tol. Vong Phan. May I say that on?
That's all from me.
Okay, no problem. I try to make this. Just want everyone take note. They are pronoun. Now we have not separated as the type pronoun we going to learn. So this is called pronoun. Yeah, because all of these words we use to replace noun.
Yeah.
Like she or her, you talk about the female, female people. You can talk about personal pronoun. So how many type of pronoun based on your learning, your experience, How many? How many types of pronouns do you know? Yeah. How many types of pronouns do you know?
It's like a subject pronoun, object.
Subject pronoun, object pronouns. They including two personal pronoun. They are part of personal pronoun. So when we study deeper on the subject pronoun, personal pronoun, you're gonna see this type of a pronoun that we include. Subject pronoun, object pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun. Okay. So there are 5 or 7 type of pronoun. If you let me count, more than 10 pronoun. But we talk only 5 basic pronoun. You have to study here. You have to study in this lesson with me. I give you 5. More than 5, actually more than 5. The main pronoun that we normally see this type of pronoun, there are 5, 6, 7. Okay. So I can give you 5 or 6. See here, they are 1. Personal pronoun. 2. What is it? Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns? Yeah,
this is
that. Okay. Relative pronoun. Was it indefinite pronoun? Okay. And number 5, relative pronoun, indefinite pronouns. What's it? Number 5, interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. See? And one more, number 6, I can say reciprocal pronoun here. So this is type of noun. You have something else? Number 7, mình lưu bình tiết on.
intensive. Here's intensive.
Intensive pronoun or reflexive pronoun. I'm going to talk in part of personal pronouns. Because reflexive or intensive pronouns including two personal pronouns, but the way that we use a little bit different. Yeah. I'm going to explain this to you when we talk about personal pronoun.
Okay.
You can see this type of pronoun. You can find more than this, 7 or 8. Some page or some book, they separate more than 6 because they count. Example, they count personal pronoun, subject pronouns, they count object pronouns, they count possessive pronouns, adjective pronoun, okay. And they also count one more. I cannot count it. One more. Reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns, and also talk about intensive pronouns. See that? But in this, I will not talk or separate one by one, just to let you understand this. They are part of personal pronoun because we have to talk about personal pronoun when we discuss about subject, object, possessive, adjective, reflexive, or intensive pronoun. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay. So when we talk about personal pronoun, I don't want to separate one by one like this. So I just talk personal subject pronoun, personal pronoun, a possessive pronoun, adjective pronoun, or reflexive pronoun, or intensive pronoun. They are the part of personal pronouns. Because personal pronoun, we talk about, the pronoun we use to replace person.
Yeah.
You have to move to understand this. Example, I can make personal pronoun. Normally, we separate it as the part of persons. 1, 2, 3, and then subject pronoun, objects. Persons, subject pronoun, object pronoun, possessive pronoun, and reflexive pronoun here. You can see these forms. I can say he is persons, and these I say subjects, I say objects, I say adjectives, I can say possessive adjectives. Yes, possessive adjectives. See, and adjectives and possessive pronoun, and this is reflex. So reflex and intensive, we use the same form. Yeah. But a part of it used in sentence look just a little bit different. Just one, we use reflexive to reflect subject, and we use intensive to receive the action. And you're gonna know. I hope you understand when we move to see about reflexive. I try my best to explain you to get that. I can say first persons. Okay, first persons. I can say second persons, and I say third persons. See, I should separate one more. Yes, I can make one more. This, yes, and then I place here singulars, and then I place here plural. I can merge ធ្វើ column មួយស្រួលមើលបន្តិច អានេះក៏ដូចគ្នាខ្ញុំកណា add មួយទៀតសិន Okay, យើងដាក់ singular និង plural ដូចគ្នា singulars and plural ហើយយើងមើលពីទៀតមក another ones singulars and plural. Can you tell me singular, first persons, subjects? បងថុល I, you are right. How about plurals?
We.
Yes, good. Here, is it? We separate like this. Singular, second persons.
He.
You.
You.
Yes. And plurals. Plural.
They.
No, plural also you. Singular for third persons.
Third person, eh?
Yeah, third person.
Third person. He. See it.
Yeah. He, she, and it. And how about plurals?
They.
Day. Good. Only one day. You can say one. Personal pronoun. Okay. Can you tell me objects? So now we have personal pronoun. Can you tell me objects?
Object.
Yeah, object. How about object? Wrong part. Can you help your friend? Object is?
No.
No, object is me.
Me.
Oh. Yeah. Me still you. Still
We, us.
Us.
Yeah. And you, plural also, you.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at this.
Him.
Him,
Him.
good.
Him.
And her,
Hers. It.
she, her, and then it, still it.
It.
And they,
Them.
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 Good. Now look at possessive adjectives. Me too.
Possessive adjective.
Yeah,
Mine.
possessive adjective.
Mine.
Not mine, mine pronoun. Yeah, mine. Us,
Ourselves. Ourselves.
not ourselves. Ourselves reflexive.
Our.
Yeah, our.
Your.
Your,
Yours.
right? Your, sorry, your. And
Okay.
your.
The
Plural
same?
also your. Yeah, the same.
I think. And
Him too. Him too.
The same. I think the same. Him.
No,
Her.
not the same. Ông thơ.
man herself, himself.
His and her. Same. And then it.
No.
Am I correct? It.
It's
And how about them too?
there.
There. Good. Yeah, we pronounce there. Continue. Finish this. You can stop and go to have lunch. Possessive pronoun.
Mine.
Mine. Good. Mine. And ours.
Ours.
Yeah, ours. We ate S. And your.
Yours.
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 With
With S. And
yes, still yours.
they're the same ones. Yours. And it also the same. His. Still his. And her. We ate S. And its. And there.
Deal with S.
There with.
No.
With S. Good.
With S.
Yeah. Another one.
Myself.
Myself. Good. Nắngច្បាស់ហ่า Myself.
Yourself.
Ourselves. Yeah, ourselves. Was it?
Yourself.
Yourself. The same.
The same.
But this one,
Yeah.
this one we make yourself like this form because plural. And we say himself or
Himself.
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 Good. Himself.
Herself.
Herself. And
himself, herself.
yeah, himself, herself, itself. Good. Nó hiện số trăm à. And
Yeah.
Themselves.
Themselves.
very good. Themselves. Themselves plural form. So now you know. You got it now. Easy to understand
Yeah.
with the table.
Yeah, easy to recognize.
So this personal pronoun, the function of a sentence we use not the same. Subject used for subject, object used for object, and possessive adjective normally this form. We can talk, in our lesson related to adjective because they are adjective, but also pronoun because we have to plus with noun. And we can discuss in adjective lesson. All of these part we plus with noun. We need another noun to stand after this possessive adjective. And this is a pronoun. Yeah, we can use as a subject or object, no problems. And this reflexive pronoun, you're gonna know when we call it a reflexive pronoun and when we call it as intensive pronoun. To be short, again, reflexive pronoun we use to reflect the subjects.
Yeah.
Reflexive pronoun we use to reflect the subjects. But intensive pronoun we use to receive the action from the verb. We express the action from the verb, and then we call intensive pronouns.
Okay. So you may detail it by giving example maybe next time.
Yeah, next time I will. Okay.
Yeah.
So it is time to have lunch, and thank you very much for joining today.
Yeah. Hello to brother Kamtun.
Oh, brother Cantun, you just joined. You are a bit late today. You are a bit late today.
Yes, sorry teacher, I'm lazy. I late today.
No problem. You still try your best to join. It's better than better than not join.
Yes,
Yep.
yes teacher.
Okay, so we can say goodbye for today. Nah? I will not continue anymore, and I will send the file into group.
Thank you for your time, teacher. Have a good day, everyone.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Bang and everyone. Brother Thun.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Good luck on the way.
Enjoy your lunch, brother Thun. Safe to Phnom Penh.
បាទអរគុណច្រើនគ្រូខ្ញុំចេញទៅថ្ងៃហ្នឹងដែរ
Okay, safe. Okay, good luck.